Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most powerful automation feature inside AWS called auto scaling. If you ever wondered how big applications like Amazon, Netflix or Instagram stay fast even when millions of users join at once, or how servers magically increase during traffic spikes and shrink back down when traffic drops. So auto scaling is the hero behind the scene. In this video, I am going to explain auto-scaling using simple examples, real-world analogies, and clean diagrams. So we'll cover how auto-scaling knows when to add more servers, how it saves money by scaling down, what is mean, max, desired, dynamic scaling, target scaling, step scaling, schedule scaling for predictable workload, and auto-healing, the most underrated AWS feature. By the end of this video, you know exactly how auto-scaling keeps cloud application fast, reliable, and cost efficient. So let's begin. Before understanding, we'll see why auto-scaling and take a simple real-world example. So why auto-scaling? So think of it like a smart bakery. So your app is like a bakery, and suppose customer is equal to traffic. So when oven hit 80%, you add more. So when oven are ideal, like at 20%, you shut down them. So that's it. Literally auto scaling in AWS. No manual work, fully automated. So first understand auto scaling core concept. So it adjusts server count automatically, keep performance high, cut cost during low traffic, helps unhealthy EC2 instantly. So these are the features like it adjusts the server count automatically, keep performance high, and cut the cost during low traffic. Now, next slide, we'll see the main concept. This one also asked in exam or interview. What is mean desired max? The brain of auto scaling. So mean means here, uh, mean means will keep minimum safety level. Like we'll have the minimum desired in EC2 instance, and then we have desired. Desired equal to ideal number or target number, and max is equal to absolute limit, or you can say upper limit. So auto scaling will always match desired. So remember this line, very important. Auto scaling always match the desired count, no matter what. So suppose for example we have mean 2 EC2 instance, and if we keep desired equal to 3 and keep max equal to 10. So in this way, uh, our desired is always equal to 3. This is the ideal or target number, and we have minimum 2, and max limit we keep 10 number of instance. Now next slide we'll see type of scaling policies. So basically there are three types: manual scaling, dynamic scaling, and schedule scaling. So what is manual scaling? So in this you adjust number yourself. Second, dynamic scaling. So in this CloudWatch matrix decide. Third one, schedule scaling. So perfect for predictable traffic. Time-based scaling you can say. Next slide, we'll see target tracking scaling. This is the most popular target tracking. So in this AWS maintain a target. For example, keep CPU at 50% across all instances, and CPU spikes. So this will add instance, and CPU drop, it will remove instance. Same logic applies to application, load balancer, request count, network input, memory, custom. In the next slide, we'll see what is simple scaling. So in simple scaling, CloudWatch alarm triggers. Basically, simple scaling uses CloudWatch alarm. Example, if CPU utilization increases 70%, then it will add 2 instances. And if CPU utilization goes down 40%, it will remove 2 instances. Next step, we'll see what is step scaling. So here, if CPU utilization is 60 to 70% plus 2 instances, then like here we basically here we'll write rules like CPU utilization is 60 to 70%, we'll add 2 instances, then 70 to above 85%, then 3 instances will be added, and 85 to 100%, 5 instances will be added. So it is more granular than simple scaling. So basically, the use case of step scaling is perfect for unpredictable spikes. This is the use case. Next, we'll see schedule scaling. So schedule scaling is predictable traffic. Suppose morning traffic spike. Suppose if your application and it's morning, its traffic spike at 7:45 a.m. Then at night it's go down. Like at midnight, its traffic goes down. So it's perfect for e-commerce hour, batch hour, office workload. So this one is schedule scaling. Next, we'll see auto healing best feature. This one. So this one kill EC2 unhealthy instance, or it will terminate, and then launch a new instance. Ensure high availability, zero manual workload required, no human required here in auto healing. So I think I cover all the scaling features. This is the launch template. So launch template basically we define the AMI, instance type, networking,